Over the last year, the beaches have been quieter. There have been more waves to share, less car horns, and it's easier to hear the ripple of the ocean. We're standing here down the Great Ocean Road on beautiful, picturesque beaches just over an hour out of Melbourne. The Great Ocean Road is a pretty magical place. It's perfectly community-minded and local. International and domestic tourists to Melbourne can't get enough of the Great Ocean Road when they make a stop in this state. Even Melburnians themselves love to drive down the coast and enjoy what we have to offer here. Jump on a Jetstar flight and fly to Avalon or Tullamarine. Travel here while the rest of the world can't.